Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact Xbox profile Rocket League uses. This is critical because your in-game name equals your Xbox gamertag. Once signed in, make sure you know the Microsoft account credentials so you can edit the gamertag. Now press the Xbox button, navigate to Profile and System, then Settings, and Open Account. This begins the only effective path. Change the Xbox gamertag, which updates Rocket League name automatically. Proceed without delay to the next screen to edit your gamertag. You will now change the gamertag itself. This is the core step because Rocket League pulls that tag. Select your profile, choose Customize Profile, then change gamertag. Type the name you want. The console validates availability, so try variations if it's taken. If this is your first gamertag, change it's free. Otherwise, Microsoft charges a small fee, so have a payment method ready. Once accepted, confirm the change and allow the system a moment to propagate the new tag across your account and connected game. Finish by closing Rocket League and doing a quick console restart. This forces the new gamertag to appear in-game. Once done, launch Rocket League and confirm your new name is active. If the name didn't update, make sure the gamertag change completed on your Microsoft account online, then sign out and back in on the console. If you were charged unexpectedly, check Microsoft billing for the transaction and contact Xbox support. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves billing or propagation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.